Hello, it's Crafty Ria, and I am here today with you to open this mystery box, and I'm so glad you are joining me for this. This is a huge box that I got from Echo Park. It was their last warehouse sale. The box was $50 with free shipping, and it's a mystery. Who knows what's inside? So we will open it together and see what kind of beautiful goodies they sent. It is still sealed. It came by UPS, and I'm going to go ahead and open it. This particular sale is over, but they are having another warehouse sale right now at the time that I'm making this video. And they have a lot of goodies, and I'm going to go ahead and shop that sale once I find out what's in here, because I might be able to get some coordinating goodies. So there we go. I opened the box. I'm going to set the box on the floor and take the things out one by one. I will be right back. Okay, I moved that big old box over to the side on the floor so I can open it. And at the top, we just have this packing material. Very exciting. And I'm going to just take a handful of things out. It has member benefits for the Club Echo Park, and then also a bounce back bonus coupon for my next order. And here we have some Enamel Dots from the Scenic Route collection. Now, a lot of their colors coordinate, so you don't have to necessarily have that collection for these to go with some of their products. This is ephemera for Wish Upon a Star, and that's all the pieces you get. And like I said, the colors coordinate. I have a similar pack to this. I'm not sure what it's called. I don't think it's Wish Upon a Star. It's something about magic. All right, and let's see. We have these autumn chipboard stickers. These are, I guess the collection is autumn. And these are by Cartabella. Beautiful stickers. And I love Christmas. And that's true. I love Christmas. And these, if I don't have the I Love Christmas paper collection, these will go good with some of the other ones as well. I have so many of their paper collections. I don't know what I have. So I have a spreadsheet to tell me. This is the 6x6 paper pad. I love my cat. And I guess I will do a flip through. It is really cute. I don't know that I have any cat paper. These are cute, the little paw prints. And the little tags. This would be cute to make cards for cat lovers. It's kind of hard. And then we're back to the beginning. Then we have this one here. It's Botanical Garden. And I believe I have that in large papers as well. The 6x6 pads are nice for card making because the prints are smaller. If I can open this, I will do a little flip through. There we go. The 6x6 pads are hard to do a flip through because they come out. So I'm just going to try to be careful with this one. These are such pretty florals. I love that one. Oh, so pretty. And then on the back side, we have some beautiful coordinating colors. So beautiful. I love these prints. I'm so excited to use them. Look at that. That is so pretty. And then we're back to the beginning. All right, let me move these out of the way and then I'll get some more stuff. Here we have some embossing folders. This is petticoats and pinstripes, and that's what it looks like on the back. And this one is Old World Travel, and that's what that one looks like. Here we have some adhesive brads from All Girl. Very cute. Here we have mini paper fans from Once Upon a Time. And they're so pretty. And for example, if you wanted to use it and not keep that same center, you could just stick another sticker on there or a flower or something like that. We have some memos, 3x4 designer cards. These look like little journaling blocks, or they can be used like just on a card. So that's really nice. And we have some larger ones, 4x6 pocket page cards. And we have just some different months on there and journaling blocks. Very cool. We have a sheet of All Girl puffy stickers. We have some Salon washi tape from the Salon collection. We have some loose papers. These are punch outs. This is from, I would imagine, some mermaid set. It doesn't say which one, but it's got a lot of mermaid stuff on it. Then we have some loose papers here. This is It's a Celebration, and it has Happy Birthday to You, which will be useful on a lot of things. This is a very textured paper. It feels like Cartabella. Yeah, it is Cartabella. And this is also from that collection. It's a celebration, and it's got the numbers, which would be really cute. There's 4 sheets of that with the numbers, but that would be cute together on a birthday card. Then we have Little Lumberjack from Echo Park, and this is a sticker sheet. This is, I think, a Christmas set. They're really cute. And I think they have a Lumberjack Christmas, so this would go well with that. I don't have it, but it might be in the sale coming up. So there's 2 sheets of that, and those are 12 by 12 sheets. Then we have a bunch of paper packs. So let's see, we have The Great Outdoors. I will do a quick flip through of this because flip throughs are fun, right? So when you see something you like, please, as soon as you see it, hit the thumbs up button. But only hit it once, because if you hit it twice, it goes away. So hit it an odd number of times if you're going to hit it more than once. So this is that collection. This paper is really cool, and the back is a really neat plaid. This feels like Cartabella. Yes, it is. It's a Cartabella line has thicker papers with texture, and I absolutely love that sheet. And this, look how pretty the clouds are. So cool. This is really cool too. And I love that pattern on the back. We have some cut aparts. which look like fun, and a gorgeous stripe on the back. Some fishing lures. I think that's what they're called. I'm not a fishing person, so I don't know. Now, when you have, if you're a card maker and you're not a full scrapbooker and you get a 12 by 12 sheet like this, you can cut just a portion of it out and use that, or you can use a bigger piece of it to cover a composition book or something like that. So don't worry when you get a scenic one trying to figure out what to do with the whole thing on a card. You can use it. Plus it also has stuff on the back usually. So we have that. And these long pieces that are made for, you know, intended for borders in a scrapbook, you can use them on slimline cards, or you can just cut a piece of them off to use on a regular card. I like the wildflowers on the back. Same with this. You could just use a corner of it maybe and use it on a card, or you can use the whole thing covering a book. That's really cute. Welcome to Camp Run Amok. That's a neat page. Love that floral. And then we have the nighttime sky and some fish and a basket weave, some canoes, and then another one of those really neat big pages. And then the sticker sheet. So that set is a little different than the types of crafting I do, but it will be a challenge. I will use it. Then we have a spring market. I already have this pack, I believe, and I have done a flip through, so I'm not going to open it today, but I will just show it to you. And I'll show you the sticker sheet on the back. Adorable. Love it. That's a really nice set. And then we have Country Kitchen. I think I have this in a 6x6 pad. It's a really cool set. I absolutely love it. So let's do a flip through of this. I'm glad to have it in 12 by 12. I love the retro look of this. Love it. And another one of those big pages that you could use for lots of things. You can use it even to make like a pocket letter or a holder for cards. And this set is also Cartabella. It's the beautiful textured thick papers. I love these roosters. Our kitchen is rooster themed. That's so pretty. I love it, love it, love it. And then we have the big cut aparts and some roses. This is so pretty. I love that. Our kitchen is also daisies, yellow and white. So that is really cool. So cool. And I love all of these vintage stoves and things. These would be great for slimline cards. Love it. And the plates, oh, so pretty. I love, love, love this roses. Oh, they are so gorgeous. And that plaid. That might be my favorite sheet in the collection. And then these cute stickers. Love the daisies. And then we have I Love Summer. I have just received this pack in another unboxing, and I did do a flip through, so I won't do that again today, but I'll give you a close-up of the goodies, the papers, and then the sticker sheet. It's a gorgeous set. And then we have birthday wishes, which I also just unboxed and did a flip through in my most recent Echo Park video. Both of those will be in there. So if you want to see them close up, go check it out. And I believe I also did Good Day Sunshine. That was one of the ones I picked. So this has a lot of reruns in it. But it is a really cool set. I love the frozen treats and the lemonade stands. That's really cool. And then this is the boy birthday wishes. There's a girl and a boy. And one is pinks and one is more primary colors. And they're both very similar. The patterns are similar, but the colors are different. And I did a flip through of that recently as well. So I'm not going to do another flip through today. You can check out my latest Echo Park video. It was recently, within the past couple of weeks. And all of these were in there. So I have some duplicates, but that's okay. I make a lot of birthday cards, and summer is coming up, so we can do a lot of summer stuff. And I'll probably feature some of this in upcoming Patreon packages, Happy Mail. So if you haven't checked out my Patreon, that link is below as well. And also in my Facebook group, someone had posted about this warehouse sale, and a lot of people purchased it, and I think we're going to share some pictures of everything that we got so we can compare. So if you want to go check it out, that is Create with Crafty Rhea, and that link is below. And I hope you hit the like button when you saw something that you liked, or if you just like the video in general. It does help my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And then also click on the bell after you subscribe, so that way you're notified every time I upload a new video, and you'll be able to see me use some of these goodies. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.